slide.
Yeah.
I'm gonna drive enough room under here?
To do what? To drop?
No, to keep going. Like, how does it look under here?
Hey, you're fine. You're not bottoming me out.
I just get like a bump.
You're on.
Yeah, it's an awesome cliff face over to the right. We should probably go another couple miles before we turn off to the left.
Now, as you can see, it's a difficulty rating of 7 out of 10. Got the whole thing. Oh, I forgot to click record, dude.
The terrain out here is crazy, man. It's like all this grass, and then as we keep on driving, then it turns into rocks, and there's water crossing. This place is beautiful.
Scooty scoo! You should do that voice thing right there. That'll be like the start of the video.
How was last night?
It was alright, man. It was like good, and I looked on the weather thing and it said no rain, and then all of a sudden like I wake up and Oren's like, dude, it's raining. And it's just raining on us. And I was like, oh, I'll just wait it out, and then I looked up at the sky and it was just gray for miles, and I was like, okay.
Well, and I waited for a little bit too. I was just laying there.
I went like this, and I was like, maybe if I just do this, it'll go away, and it just didn't. Then it was seeping through the crack, and I was like, well, that was successful.
And then I remembered I had all my windows open in the truck, and I had all my stuff laying out, like my camera, my batteries, and things were charging. I was like, I gotta get out.
We're gonna go from here. We're gonna get some coffee, which I kind of want a mimosa. I'm not gonna lie to you. A little Mimo for breakfast.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go hit this road. What's this road called?
Gemini Bridges.
Gemini Bridges.
So Gemini Bridges leads, it's called that because it leads to an area that's like...
Called Gemini?
It's Gemini Bridges.
Yeah.
Is like an area, a location.
Are there bridges?
It's like a destination.
Yeah.
I don't even have my contacts in. I look like crap.
You see?
A little bit, yeah. I can still see. It's just blurry.
Without your contacts?
I used to. I remember I used to do it already, all the time.
Oh, yeah.
I just started wearing contacts like a year ago. And it's like changed my world. I mean, I can see everything now. See the blades of grass. I can see the details on the mountains. But, ugh.
Dude, I think it would be a cool video, to be honest. It wouldn't be on your gimbal. You have to get like a towel and like set it down. But if you drove like over your camera and had it like center, because like you see it approaching, and then it would just be like the top of it going over, and then the next one is like it's same angle, but like then the back of the car as it drives away, you know. But the risk is like obviously like if you ran over your tire, but you don't do that with
Sounds like a lot of work, dude.
Just put it down and drive over it.
It's too much work.
I don't think I'd call that puddle a water crossing, but... Oh yeah, dude, shirt's coming off.
So far this trail's been pretty easy. Nothing crazy. Really, it's just beautiful views, nice little puddles that drive through, and some cool rock stuff. But really, this trail's more about the destination. Gemini Bridges, so that'll be a cool little spot. Watch that be like the hardest one on this whole trail.
Probably it is.
not gonna go straight up. It might be like a route.
Yeah.
Here, come around on this other side. I think I hit something right here.
You hit the back of your tail fender.
Tailgate right here?
Yep.
It does look good over there. Look at that thing. So majestic.
How close is it? Can I get my tire up there, or is it pretty like?
You can do it.
Me?
Just keep going, go straight and a little bit driver. Alright, stop. Just, yeah, back out, dude.
Jake just doesn't have the clearance for this one.
No, I put a locker on because I was just going too slow. Like if I had backed up and forwarded a little bit, I would have been fine, but just like I just put the locker on.
Yeah. 89 and 7 feet long.
Gemini Bridges are two large parallel natural spans. A bridge a deep canyon cut in the Wingate sandstone.
I can't read.
They're named after the Gemini twins of Roman mythology, Castor and Pollux. Were inseparable in life. When they died, they were placed in the heavens as twin stars so that they could be together forever. There's a 10 feet gap. Apparently people die trying to jump the gap. I read that. 300 yards. Short walk. Dude, we're totally going the wrong way.
God damn it.
Well, this looks like a trail, doesn't it not?
I don't know.
Oh, this is cool.
Oh, dude, what if they overshot it? Like they landed and they kept going?
Yeah, wow. I mean, this looks like a very doable jump. Just gonna fall off the gimbal, and I'm like, no!
Like I could definitely see, if you didn't tell me that people had died, I think I would definitely try to jump it.
Looks like there's a road down there.
If I'm being honest, like,
Don't be honest.
no, I'm going to be.
Nah, don't do it.
I've never had problems with heights, like growing up. But as I gotten older, like I get like a lot more scared. I don't know why. Down, dude.
Well, nice trip. Let's go somewhere else. What's up, guys?
How you doing?
Good.
After Gemini Bridges, we decided to go do something a little more challenging, and a trail called Metal Masher was right alongside our route, so we decided to try it out.
Alright, so we're on Metal Masher right now. So you can see it's a difficulty rating of 7 out of 10. And Oren's about to try to do Mother-in-Law Hill, which is on the left side. So if you look on the map right here, where that smiley face is, we came up Gemini Bridges Road, and we're on that blue trail right there, and that's where the obstacle's at. So he's gonna attempt to do this. Nice. Good job. That's good. Got the whole thing.
I had 4 low and a rear locker on.
Yeah.
Alright. You want me to film you coming up that easy trail? Oh my god. You're already scratching everything.
Should I like just dip down and go straight, or do you think I can get up here?
I think you should go straight.
Am I gonna scratch underneath?
You're just your slider. Not even that.
Go up that.
It looks way smaller on camera. I guess we could just keep going and see what we run into. It's got a lot of cool, fun obstacles on it, but there's bypasses for almost all of them. So, like right now, Jake is taking this bypass this way, and he doesn't have to do this hard one. And I really like trails like that, because then you can bring all your buddies along. You don't have to only bring that one friend who's got like some souped up rig. Like everybody can come, and everybody can have fun. Like there's challenging stuff for my truck, there's challenging stuff for Jake's, and there's a bypass so we can all keep going together. I mean, trails like that are really cool. That's one plus so far. And keep in mind, this is only a section of Metal Masher. It's not like the whole trail, just a small section, but so far there's been bypasses for almost every hard obstacle. Bunch of ants. Dude, soon enough, man. Next summer you'll have all your stuff done and you'll be doing all this same stuff with me. Alright, so we're probably a third of the way done with Metal Masher, but as you can see I'm sweating. I just ran up all this stuff just to see if there's any camping nearby, and there's just not, and there's signs everywhere that say don't camp. And so we're not going to keep beating up Jake's truck just so that we can find a camp spot that's not there. So we're going to turn back and just try to find a camping kind of near Gemini Bridges or something like that. So I'll show you this obstacle though. This whole spot's kind of cool. I think I would have been fine up here, and honestly I think Jake could have made it, but it's just like getting to that point where we're kind of over it, you know, this truck, because he's you know, it's a stock truck, so all this stuff is kind of difficult for his truck, and eventually something's gonna break. So do we want to risk it? Probably not. And it's his daily driver, so. Alright, so there's one last obstacle. I'm gonna try and hit it. I'm just gonna go down it, not up it, though. That way I don't slide, like skid out my tires because I'm so low on tread.
Alright, take one last video of Orange truck before it's totaled. There we go. Nah, it's gonna be fine. He's gonna crush it. Where it gets kind of hard. So there's this little tiny obstacle, which is nothing. So we got some complex stuff, like this is the part where he's worried about his tread right here, and then he's gonna come to a stop there, and then he's got that part right there. So okay, keep your passenger a little bit to the right, right there. Now go slow, slow, slow. Your passenger's gonna dip in a second, just a little bit, and it'll catch right there, and then just ride it out from there, honestly. Not bad though, dude. I don't think you got any damage.
Nah, I think it's probably fine.
You handled that really well.
Thanks, Chris. Good job. Should I go back up it?
You want to?
Not the speed through this part. golf cart.
Yeah.
Am I driving enough room under here?
To do what? To drop?
No, to keep going. Like, how does it look?
Hey, you're fine. You're not bottoming me out.
Just get like a bump.
You're on. Yeah, buddy.
I was gonna slide into that rock. I kept sliding more. I'm like, oh,
Oh,
no.
you're talking about when you're inching like towards me?
Yeah, right.
Yeah. No, you look fine. I was looking, you hadn't even come, like you were still this far away from your rock sledge before you.
Oh, I had tons of room underneath. Because I was like worried, am I like about to scrape if I try to bump over this? Because I'm worried, because your axle is the really part, that's the part I can't.
So on our way back, we end up finding a campsite, and I just kind of take a break from